Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Brave wallet to Brave rewards. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply open your Brave browser and make sure that you have watched some ads. You're going to click on this bat icon and you'll be able to see the number of ads you have watched in this month. So if you wish to connect it to wallet, you can simply redeem your cryptocurrency. To do so, you're going to click on Connect Account button over here and you'll be redirected to an interface of Rewards Connect. Here, you're going to add your custodial accounts that will require ID verification. So you can simply add that over here if your region supports that. And you can also add the Brave wallet over here. That is basically the wallet that Brave supports for Solana. So you can simply click on that and set that up for yourself. Simply click on connect over here and you'll be able to generate a Solana based wallet and you'll be able to receive the cryptocurrency from your Brave browser into that Solana wallet that you can transfer to another wallet from there and then redeem that into your account. And the best thing about this is that once you have connected your account, you wouldn't need to redeem the rewards each time. So every month, the batch you earn will be automatically transferred to your account. So you don't have to just redeem and do the transfer process each time because BAT will do that for you.